Namaste. Today we have a very important topic, very timely topic, because as you would have noticed, summer is here. It has been getting very hot, and in many parts of India, as we approach March, April, May and June, temperatures will be soaring below 30 degrees, maybe even reaching 40, right? So what happens at that time? You would have noticed you're sweating more than usual. And though that is not a problem, what happens that many of the important electrolytes that our body needs to perform its functions are getting sweated out. So what that means is, by merely drinking water, we're not replenishing those electrolytes. So then what happens? Balance between those essential minerals in our body and the general water intake gets imbalanced, and we have symptoms for what we call dehydration, right? This not enough water being taken inside the body and electrolytes not being replenished. Some of the symptoms can be headache, lightheadedness, rapid heartbeat, dry skin, or even muscle cramps. So if any of that happens to you and you feel that something is not all right, you could be dehydrated. Now, because the temperature is so severe and it's the summer, the Indian summer, we need to do more than simply drink water. We also have to eat fruits that will provide us with water, but also the required electrolytes. And today that's what we're going to talk about. What fruits to eat, what juices you can make, and what other lovely summer coolers you can have so that this does not happen to you. So let's first look at what we can eat, right? The great thing is that in summer, many lovely fruits are being provided for us. Nature is looking out for us. It presents us with a basket full of fruits that we can eat. Right on top, probably the easiest, because we just have to open it and have it, is our lovely coconut water, right? Nariyal pani. We get it at almost every corner, and we just simply have it opened and then we can sip it, and just one nariyal will really hydrate you and give you also the required potassium and magnesium. Very, very important electrolytes that our body needs to function very well. So if you're in a region of India where fresh coconuts are not available, or if you're maybe abroad, what you can do, you can get that bottled or packed coconut water. You just need to make sure that there are no additives. That means no flavors, nothing else basically. It should say something like 100% coconut water. But fresh is of course the best, but may not always be available, right? So coconut water is one. What is the second? Watermelon. Watermelon is a very, very easy sell. Everyone loves watermelon because it has so much of juice. It has this lovely bright red color also, and some of us make it a sport to just spit out the seed and spit them as far as we can. Of course, only if we're somewhere outside, maybe in a garden or something. It's very easy for kids also. Kids love watermelon. So if you pack their tiffin for school, make sure to add some watermelon for your kids in the tiffin, also for yourself if you're going to office, and if you're staying home, just cut up some watermelon for yourself, right? Again, very, very good source of potassium and other electrolytes that we need. And speaking of cucumbers, did you know that you can also make a lovely, delicious cucumber infused water? All you have to do is cut up a few slices of cucumber, soak them in water, add some mint leaves and maybe some salt to it according to taste. Wait for maybe 2 hours, let it really soak nicely, and then you have a refreshing drink that you can sip throughout the day, and that will also provide you with the required electrolytes. Then the second option is you can simply add water, lemon juice, and add a little bit of jaggery. That any kind of sweet and salty kind of drink will quickly replenish those electrolytes and balance the glucose, potassium, and magnesium that we need. So these are two lovely options over there. So you can simply 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds in maybe 1 liter of water, boil it, let it cool down, and then you have a wonderful drink to sip throughout the day. It's very good, replenishes our electrolytes. Then another option is chia seeds. You can simply also soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in 1 glass of water, add some mint leaves to it and some salt to taste, and you have another refreshing drink. Maybe wait for 30 minutes for the chia seeds to soak up a little bit, and that is also a wonderful drink that you can have in the hot summer months. And did you know that our simple doodhi, our bottle gourd, that you can make a wonderful juice out of that? So all you have to do is cut up your bottle gourd, put it in the mixie, add some lemon juice to it, some mint leaves, some salt, and you're done. Blend it and you have a wonderful, refreshing drink throughout the day that you can consume and replenish yourself to prevent dehydration and to give your body the required electrolytes and balance all these essential minerals that you need in the hot summer months. Just try it out. There are videos also on our website if you want the recipes again. Hope you'll have fun trying them out. Namaste.